Good morning, my dear students. You can get the whole syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. Today, our chapter is triangles for class 10 and topic is theorem 6.4. Before going to theorem 6.4, have a look at theorem 6.3, that is, if three angles of a triangle are equal to the three angle of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Let's see what happens when two angles of one triangle is equal to two angles of another triangle. Means in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let angle A is x degree and B is y degree. And here angle P is x degree and angle Q is y degree. What happens to angle C and angle R? So angle C will be 180 minus x plus y degree, because the sum of three angles of any triangle is 180 degrees, so it will be 180 minus x plus y. Similarly, it will be also 180 minus x plus y. So angle C and angle R must be similar, because angle A equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q. So we got that if two angles of a triangle is equal to the two angles of another triangle, then both the triangles are similar. It means it is a similarity. So now let's move to theorem 6.4. It is, if in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of another triangle, then the corresponding angles of both the triangles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. Let's prove this. For this purpose we have to take two triangles. Let it be triangle ABC and let it triangle DEF. So we have to write, given that in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of other triangle, means sides of triangle ABC, AB by DE equal to AC by DF equal to BC by EF. Proportional means the ratio of sides are equal in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. It is given. We need to prove that their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. So we need to prove that angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F, and hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. For this purpose we need some construction. Construction is, let P is a point on DE such that AB equal to DP and Q is a point on DF such that AC equal to DF. So we have to write cot DP is equal to AB and DQ that is equal to AC, and join PQ. Means AB and DP are equal, AC and DQ are equal. We have constructed this and we have also joined PQ. So let's prove this. we have AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF in given. So let's write that. First, AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Let's write this much. In place of AB, we can write DP as we have constructed, and AC, in place of AC, we can write DQ. So let's write that. It will be DP by DE is equal to, in place of AC, we can write DQ by DF. We got dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF. We have already read theorem 6.2, that is, if a line divides two sides of a triangle in equal ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So from this we can get dP by PE is equal to dQ by dF, and hence PQ must be parallel to EF. So this implies that PQ is parallel to EF. If PQ is parallel to EF, then the corresponding angles must be equal. This angle and this angle, and also this angle and this angle. So we can write angle P is equal to angle E, and angle Q equal to angle F. Let it be equation 1. And we can also write corresponding angles. I hope you can write this. And if angle P and angle E are equal, and angle Q and F are equal, so comparing triangle DPQ and triangle DEF, two triangles of angle DPQ and two triangles of angle DEF are equal. So two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then both the triangles must be similar according to AA similarity. This implies that triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF, because angle P of angle DPQ is equal to angle E of angle DEF. This equal to this and this equal to this. So both the triangles must be similar. This implies that if two triangles are similar, then we can write their ratio of corresponding sides is also equal. Means we can write dP by dE is equal to dQ by dF is equal to PQ by EF. Now once again we can replace dP by AB and dQ by AC. So we can write AB by DE is equal to, in place of dQ we can write AC by DF is equal to PQ by EF. Let it be equation 2. And given that, we can write, given that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to BC by EF. Let it be equation 3. Now comparing equation 2 and 3, AB by DE and AB by DE are equal, AC by DF and AC by DF are equal. So third part of both this equation must be equal. So we can write from equation 2 and 3, from equation 2 and 3, PQ by EF is equal to BC by EF. Now the denominator of both this, denominator on the both side of this equation are equal, so numerator must be equal. So we can write PQ equal to BC. Now comparing triangle, in triangle ABC and DPQ, in triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. What are equal now? AB equal to DP by construction. AC equal to DQ by construction, and we have proved PQ equal to BC or BC equal to PQ. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Triangle ABC and DPQ are congruent, so we can write their corresponding angles are equal. Means angle A equal to angle D, angle A equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle Q. Now let's write angle A is equal to angle D and angle B equal to angle P. Earlier we got angle P equal to angle E. So in place of P, angle P, we can write angle E. So angle B is equal to angle E. And angle C is equal to, in place of angle Q, from here, from equation 1, we can write in place of angle Q, it will be angle F. Now we have proved that angle A equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Means this one is proved. The corresponding angles are equal, it is proved, and given that the sides are in same ratio, means we can write and sides are in equal ratio. This implies that triangle ABC must be similar to triangle DEF. We need two criteria to prove a figure similar. It is corresponding angles are equal and sides are in equal ratio. Two criteria is satisfied, so we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. In this case, see the proof. Here AB by DE. AB we have taken DE is greater than AB. In case of AB is greater than DE, the proof will also be similar. So my dear student, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe this channel to get more video about your class. It will be helpful for you, and also press on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of every video. Thank you.